Welcome to our roundup of the best portable solar panels available today. Whether you're camping off-grid, powering your RV, or preparing for emergencies, having a reliable portable solar panel can make all the difference. These panels combine efficiency, portability, and durability, giving you access to renewable energy wherever you go. We'll explore their key specs, real-world performance, and usability, helping you find the perfect solar panel for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and pricing. Let's get started and find out which solar panel best fits your outdoor or backup power setup. The first on the list is the Alpower's flexible foldable solar panel. Designed for ultimate versatility, this model stands out with its lightweight, flexible build that easily fits on curved surfaces like tents, RV roofs, or boats. Despite weighing just a few pounds, it delivers impressive power output with a maximum efficiency rate of up to 23%. That means you can generate more power in less sunlight, making it perfect for cloudy days or shaded environments. One of its biggest strengths is its flexible and foldable design, which allows easy portability without sacrificing durability. Built with ETFE material, it resists scratches, water, and extreme heat, ensuring long-lasting use even in harsh outdoor conditions. Overall, this solar panel is ideal for campers, travelers, and emergency preppers who want a reliable, easy-to-carry energy solution that performs well in all conditions. Next up is the Renogy 200W portable solar panel. Renogy is one of the most trusted names in the solar industry, and this 200-watt panel shows exactly why. Built with high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, it offers up to 22% conversion efficiency, ensuring excellent power output even in low-light environments. The panel comes pre-installed in a rugged suitcase-style frame with a durable aluminum stand, making it quick to set up and stable on any surface. It's also equipped with an integrated waterproof charge controller that provides smart charging protection against overcharging, short-circuiting, and reverse polarity. That means your batteries or portable power stations remain safe and well-maintained during every use. Overall, it's a dependable, powerful, and user-friendly solar panel for those who want professional-grade performance with plug-and-play simplicity. Next, we have the Alpower's Balcony Power Plant solar panel. This innovative setup is built for modern living, especially if you want to reduce your electricity bills or generate green power right from your apartment balcony. Featuring high-efficiency 400W total power output, this flexible solar system is designed to connect seamlessly to your home grid or power stations. What makes it stand out is its easy plug-in installation. You don't need complicated wiring or technical knowledge to start generating clean energy. The system is equipped with smart monitoring via the Alpower's app, allowing you to track power generation and performance in real time. Each panel uses advanced ETFE lamination, ensuring weather resistance and durability against rain, dust, and UV rays. It's also ultra-thin and lightweight, so it can be easily mounted on balconies, windows, or terraces without taking up much space. Overall, the Alpower's Balcony Power Plant offers an eco-friendly and space-saving energy solution for city dwellers who want to harness solar power efficiently without rooftop installations. Next, we have the Dokyo 18V flexible solar panels. Compact, efficient, and affordable, the Dokyo flexible panels are ideal for those who want dependable solar power without the bulk. With high-efficiency monocrystalline cells that deliver excellent conversion rates, this panel ensures steady power generation even under partially shaded or overcast skies. Its ultra-thin and lightweight construction makes it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. It folds neatly into a carry case and weighs far less than traditional panels. Despite its portable size, it's built tough with durable waterproof fabric, giving it resilience against rain, dust, and temperature extremes. The setup process is straightforward. Unfold it, connect to your controller, and it's ready to power your RV batteries, camping fridge, or portable power station. Overall, it's a great choice for travelers, campers, or anyone needing an affordable, easy-to-use solar panel that delivers consistent energy wherever you go. The last one on our list is the ETFE 200W foldable solar panel. This model combines durability and premium performance, built for serious outdoor users and long-term reliability. Using advanced ETFE technology, the panel is more durable and heat-resistant than conventional PET panels. Its 200-watt high-efficiency output ensures you get strong power even in challenging light conditions, making it perfect for RV setups, camping, and backup power use. The ETFE coating enhances light transmission by up to 95%, allowing greater solar absorption for maximum energy production. It's fully foldable, easy to carry, and can be set up in minutes, making it ideal for mobile charging stations or emergency scenarios. Overall, the ETFE 200W foldable solar panel is a rugged, efficient, and travel-friendly energy companion built for outdoor explorers and off-grid users who demand the best in reliability and efficiency. So, That's it for our roundup of the best portable solar panels available right now. Each of these models offers a unique mix of power, portability, and durability, perfect for different energy needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product roundups like this one. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay charged and stay powered wherever your adventures take you.